My name is David from Pump Technology Limited. One of the common questions we get asked is what is the difference between a commercial wastewater lifting station and a domestic wastewater lifting station? Now the simple answer is size, hence I put the two units on the table for you together. So size and robustness equal reliability, and that's what you get from a commercial wastewater lifting station. This unit here is installed in thousands of applications across the UK, mainly at your household fast food chains, and it's used for pumping wastewater from sinks and dishwashers, etc. Now, at the heart of the system is the U3 young pumping pump, and it's fitted here with what we call the low-level float. And the idea of that float is that when the pump is pumping the wastewater down, it stops at the minimum level, so the pump is flooded, so it won't airlock, but you've got as little fluid in here as possible, and that's avoiding things like odours, etc. for you. The box itself is supplied fully plumbed with the discharge and the non-return valve. The inlet positions are decided on site by the installer. As you can see, all the outside of the tank is solid, and it's simply just drilled in to suit the application, so the pipe runs are as simple as possible into the tank. The DrainMinor comes with this robust lip seal, and the lid simply goes on top like that, and then the 4 thumb screws there to connect the lid on. The box itself is vented either through its own carbon filter through the lid, or you can run an external vent to air. That's the complete package. For your application, to check that you've got the right pump, please do call the office and they'll be more than pleased to help you.